I keep some dry canvases around on purpose so I could show this. It's something that students have asked, well, how do I retouch my painting? How do I fix things? A lot of ways to do it. So I'm going to take my 1-inch brush, take my Alexander oil, which I have here, put it in this little container. Okay, got a little bit in there. Just dipping in. Now I'm going to oil this area out. And I'm spreading it. Spreading the news, you guys. Now, if I don't like that yellow and I think it's too much, I can adjust that too. I could sand that even more and take more of it out. So I'm pre-wetting this. Then that oil it out is a big deal. So sanding was a big deal in the Renaissance and oiling out was a big deal in the Renaissance. So now I'm going to take a paper towel and I'm just going to kind of take most of that oil off. It's just kind of like rubbing it down and getting it into the fabric. Now, if you stay on there real long and it's still damp and this isn't completely dry, it may lift up the paint because it loosens things. So you want to be careful of that. Look, I have nothing on there. So can you guys see how soft that is already? Now I just have to adjust it. I have to fix it. If you're at home and you're thinking to yourself, well, how do I fix a painting that's already dry? That's what I was kind of hoping to do here. So you put a little white on here, all over. Don't worry about it, just a little bit. And then you roll it, and I'll show you how to take care of this. Don't panic, guys. Watch me. See, I put it all in a mist right now. It's very milky. It's almost like milk. I can move it all around, and then I'm going to do what every great painter in history did. And I mean that when I say it. I'm not making this up. Every painter in history created this fog, ethereal fog back here. And then they did their little wipeout job. So this is kind of cool. You can almost see it coming through because the darks are always going to come through. So now we just have to adjust that. We take our paper towel and we just lift up some of that to bring back whatever we need. Sometimes you use something with a little oil in it, or even an art wipe would work. Kind of bring back a little bit. If it doesn't come off really well, then just grab some more, grab an art wipe, and that'll bring back the image better. But I want you guys to see that distance. Can you see how far that is? You hypnotized it. You pushed it way back there. Now you can add to this because everything in the distance is more blurred anyhow. So now I'm going to use an art wipe. Now, if you didn't have an art wipe, you could dip that in your oil, your Magic Clear, a little bit of the paper towel and Magic Clear, and lift that white up a little bit more. But I have these around, so I'm just going to do it. So I'm going to pull out a little more dark, kind of pitter patter when you do this, and then you can go back and rework it. So I'm going to do this. Now the light in this painting is coming this way. So you're thinking about light coming down like that, like from this corner to that corner, and then a lot of lines going down. Okay, I got this edge nice and soft there. That has a little bit of hole action in there because of what I did. Now we can work into that. If you take off too much of this, then you're not going to be able to have the white in there and make it look as soft as it is. But right now, it's very ethereal.